Introduction. Sigmund Freud, the father of psychoanalysis, revolutionized our understanding of the human psyche by introducing the concept of the unconscious mind. This foundational idea has profound implications for personal development, relationships, and self-awareness. In this section, we explore the significance of understanding the unconscious mind as a vital life lesson for men. 1. The unconscious mind. Defined. Define the unconscious mind according to Freudian theory, highlighting its role as the reservoir of repressed memories, desires, and instincts. Explain how the unconscious influences behavior, emotions, and thoughts, often without conscious awareness. 2. Uncovering hidden motivations. Discuss the importance of uncovering hidden motivations buried within the unconscious, such as unresolved childhood traumas or repressed desires. Illustrate how awareness of these unconscious motivations can lead to greater self-understanding and personal growth. 3. Recognizing defense mechanisms. Explore Freud's concept of defense mechanisms, such as repression, denial, and projection, which individuals employ to protect themselves from anxiety-provoking thoughts or feelings. Provide examples of how defense mechanisms manifest in everyday life and the potential consequences of relying on them excessively. 4. Dreams as gateways to the unconscious. Highlight the significance of dreams as windows into the unconscious mind, where repressed desires and unresolved conflicts often surface in symbolic form. Discuss Freud's method of dream analysis and its applications in uncovering unconscious material and facilitating psychological healing. 5. Self-reflection and psychoanalysis. Emphasize the role of self-reflection and introspection in exploring the contents of the unconscious, as well as the benefits of psychoanalytic therapy in bringing unconscious material to light. Illustrate how the therapeutic process involves uncovering unconscious patterns, gaining insight into one's motivations and fostering emotional growth. 6. Impact on relationships and behavior. Discuss how unconscious dynamics influence interpersonal relationships, including patterns of communication, attraction, and conflict. Explore the implications of unconscious biases, projections, and transference in shaping relationship dynamics and communication styles. 7. Integration into daily life. Offer practical strategies for integrating and understanding of the unconscious mind into daily life, such as mindfulness practices, journaling, or seeking therapy. Encourage men to embrace self-exploration and vulnerability as pathways to greater self-awareness and personal fulfillment. Conclusion. Understanding the unconscious mind is not merely an academic pursuit, but a transformative life lesson with far-reaching implications. By delving into the depths of the unconscious, men can gain insight into their true selves, navigate relationships more effectively, and embark on a journey of self-discovery and personal growth.